Welcome to Pattagam AI, your ultimate tool for effortless video creation. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly produce captivating shorts, like a top 5 places to visit in India video, in just a few simple steps. Get ready to transform your ideas into stunning visuals. First, sign into your Pattagam and click on the Launch Video Assembler button. Next, click on Create Storyboard with AI. This is where the magic begins. In the prompt box, simply describe your video idea. For our example, we'll type, Top 5 places to visit in India. Be as descriptive as you like. Before we go further, a word about aspect ratio. For a shorts video, that's 9:16. With a single click, our AI will instantly generate a complete storyboard for you. Each scene comes pre-layered with engaging overlay texts, dynamic text animations, and intelligent prompts for AI-generated images, videos, and even voiceovers. It's truly a complete foundation for your video. Now for the visuals. Pattagam AI can generate stunning images or videos for each scene based on the prompts. Your prompts for images and videos are already layered in the scene. Just select the layer and click Regenerate to see the prompt description. Finally, click Generate button and watch as your descriptions come to life with incredible detail and quality. From the Taj Mahal to the ruins of Hampi, get ready for breathtaking content.
Look at this fabric.
You can also use your own stock videos to match the description for the prompt.
Color is perfect.
Every great video needs a captivating soundtrack. Pattagam offers an extensive inbuilt music library. Simply browse, select a track that fits your video's mood, and add it as background music. You can easily adjust the volume to ensure it complements your visuals and voiceover perfectly. You can add fade in and fade out for smooth audio transition, and easily control the audio timeline. Enhance your story with AI voiceovers. Pattagam can generate natural-sounding narration in English and 4 South Indian languages. We also ensure seamless transitions between scenes. A crucial tip for smooth viewing is to ensure a 0.5-second pause in voice during scene transitions, allowing your audience to absorb each visual change. Before the final export, take a moment to replay each scene. This is your chance to fine-tune any elements, adjust text placement, tweak animations, or refine your AI-generated visuals. Pattagam's intuitive interface makes it easy to perfect every detail. You can save your projects and re-edit whenever you wish. You retouch or modify your video. Finally, with everything perfect, click that Export button. Pattagam AI will swiftly render your video. Within minutes, your high-quality shorts video, like our top 5 places to visit in India, will be ready to download and share across all your platforms. It's that fast, it's that easy. Start creating with Pattagam AI today.